Shadows dance across my wall tonight. City lights shine through my window blind. Memories flood in with shades of blue. Moonlight paints my empty room so bright as I sit here all alone with you in mind. Nights like these bring thoughts of you. Jazz notes float through midnight air. Words unspoken hang between the stars as moonbeams guide my silent prayer. Moonlight in blue, casting shadows of you, notes falling like teardrops on ivory keys so true. Melodies speak what words can't do. In this moonlight in blue. Coffee's cold, forgotten on the shelf. Smoke trails dance in patterns through the air. Old vinyl spins our favorite tune. Time stands still when I think of us in that cafe where rain kissed the window pane. Moonlight in blue, casting shadows of you, notes falling like teardrops on ivory keys so true. Melodies speak what words can't do. In this moonlight in blue. Streets below are quiet as the dawn. Night surrender.